Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Lovable site. I'm Harriet from Drop and Blog. Let's get into it. Once you've logged into your Lovable account, navigate to your workspace and choose the site you want to add your blog to. Here we have a simple website ready, and we'll just click on it. Once the site editor loads, here on the left is where we'll paste the code we need to get from our Drop and Blog account. So in your Drop and Blog account's code and layout page, you'll see this Lovable prompt, which is specific to Lovable users. Simply click on the copy code button here to copy your code. Then go back to your Lovable site editor, and here on the left, where it says Ask Lovable, paste your code, then hit enter or click on this arrow button here, and wait for Lovable to work on this. Now, Lovable will ask you for your API key. Go back to your Drop and Blog account's code and layout page, and you'll find your API key under step 2 here. Generate your API key, then click inside here to copy it, and back to Lovable. Click on Add My API Token here. Now here on the left, select the text within the brackets and paste in your API key. Hit enter or click on this arrow button here. And there is your blog link in the navigation menu. Let's click on it. And there's your blog. Now to save your changes, click on the Publish button here on the upper right. Then in the small pop-up, click on Update. Once your site is live, you can check it out by clicking on your site link here. Your site will open up in a new tab. Looking great. Let's click on Blog here in the navigation menu. And there's your blog. Everything looks perfect. Let's click on a blog post here to check it out. Scrolling through. Everything looks to be working as it should. Now, to add a new blog post to your blog, log into your Drop and Blog account, and in the Posts tab, click on the Add Post button here. This creates a new blog post, and this will take you to the post editor. To add content, you can just start typing inside the content area here. With Drop and Blog, you can create well-structured and visually appealing content for your blog using the editor's top bar, where you'll find different heading styles that will allow you to create a proper heading structure for your content. If you want to highlight specific parts of your blog post, you can use block quotes and callouts. To make your content more schemable, you can use bulleted lists and/or numbered lists, as well as tables. And if you want to add media to your content, Drop and Blog's post editor allows you to easily add images and videos. The Drop and Blog post editor also gives you the option to add a table of contents and FAQs to your blog. You can turn both on and off by simply making use of the toggle for each option. You can also assign authors and add categories for your blog post. And you can add related posts that you want to appear on your blog post as well. Before you save and publish your post, it is advised that you check if your blog post is SEO optimized. You can make use of Drop and Blog's built-in SEO analyzer, which lets you add a target keyword and helps you optimize your content based on it. And under Content Score here is where you'll see suggestions on how to improve your blog post's visibility and search engine results. Once you have successfully done the suggested actions here, like for example, you make sure that the keyword appears in the post title and in the slug, or you've added text to your post, this colored box next to the goal will turn yellow if not fully satisfied, or green for the goal being 100% met. Now, once you optimize your content for search engines, you can also use Mention Boost to help your content's AI visibility. Mention Boost will give you suggestions like adding headings, a table of contents, FAQs, and adding structured content like lists or tables. You'd want to get a higher score on Mention Boost, ideally 5 out of 5, for better visibility on AI tools like ChatGPT, Google AI's Overview, and other AI-based searches. And now, if you want to style your blog, you can go to the Code and Layout page of your Drop and Blog account, and under Advanced, you'll see Design Customizations, where you'll be able to customize fonts, links, and image frames to your blog, and the preview of your customizations will be to the right of the page. And if you want to make more advanced changes, you can use the Custom CSS section and add your own custom CSS. You'll want to make use of this if you want to change the blog's default text, colors, and placement, or if you want to add gradients, custom animations, and other more advanced customizations. With the use of these customization options that Drop and Blog offers, you're sure to create a beautiful blog according to your preference. And that's how you add a blog to your lovable site. Happy blogging!